Beneath the lush canopy of the Guatemalan jungle lies a secret civilization, not just ruins, but entire cities lost to time, where temples whisper tales of blood, power, and mystery. But now, thanks to cutting-edge laser technology, we've uncovered what could be described as a real-life horror movie buried in stone. With LiDAR scans and drone technology, archaeologists are pulling back the curtain on a civilization more advanced and more brutal than we ever imagined. From pyramid tombs and crystallized corpses to underwater graveyards filled with child sacrifices, what has been found is nothing short of chilling. Let's dive into the terrifying and awe-inspiring discoveries from the ancient Maya world. Deep in the heart of the Lacandan jungle lies the ancient Maya city of Palenque. Here, archaeologists unearthed a discovery as perplexing as it was macabre: the tomb of the Red Queen. Sealed within a hidden chamber beneath the Temple 13 lay a sarcophagus, its surface stained a deep, unsettling crimson. The Red Queen, as she came to be known, was interred with two sacrificial victims, a young boy and a woman, their presence a chilling reminder of the ancient Mayan belief in serving their rulers in the afterlife. The Red Queen's tomb offers a glimpse into the intricate tapestry of power, ritual, and belief that define this lost civilization. Our journey into the Mayan underworld takes us deep into the heart of Belize, to the mouth of the Actun Tunichil Muknal cave, a site revered by the ancient Maya as Xibalba, the underworld. This sacred cave holds a secret both mesmerizing and morbid: the Crystal Maiden. Among the labyrinthine passages, archaeologists stumbled upon the skeletal remains of 14 individuals, victims of ritualistic sacrifice. Among them lay the Crystal Maiden, her skeletal remains transformed by the passage of time and the cave's unique mineral composition into a shimmering, almost ethereal spectacle. To enter this cave was to tread upon sacred ground, a perilous journey into the heart of Mayan belief, where life and death intertwined in a macabre dance. Scattered across the Yucatan Peninsula lie the cenotes, natural sinkholes formed over millennia, their depths concealing a history as dark as the caverns themselves. For the ancient Maya, these cenotes were sacred portals to the underworld, gateways to Xibalba, the realm of the dead. Divers, venturing into the inky blackness of these underwater caves, have resurfaced with chilling accounts of their findings. Hundreds of skeletons, many belonging to children, their bones bearing the unmistakable marks of ritualistic sacrifice. These individuals were offered to appease the gods, their lives brutally cut short to ensure the prosperity of their civilization. The cenotes of sacrifice stand as a haunting reminder of the price the Maya were willing to pay to appease their deities. Emerging from the verdant jungle floor, their stone faces weathered by centuries of rain and sun, stand the pyramids of the Maya, monuments to a civilization obsessed with death and the afterlife. Deep within their bowels lie the tombs of Mayan rulers, their chambers adorned with intricate carvings and hieroglyphs that tell tales of their reign and their lineage. From the oldest known pyramid tomb of King Kutzchman to the layered Temple 16 at Copan, these structures offer a glimpse into the evolution of Mayan architecture and the enduring power of their beliefs. These tombs, filled with jade jewelry, ceramic dolls, and the skeletal remains of kings, offer a glimpse into the lives and deaths of the Mayan elite. Imagine a civilization so advanced it carved sprawling cities from the jungle, connecting them with roads that stretched for miles. This was the Maya world. Modern technology like LiDAR reveals their vast network of roads and settlements. Over 1,000 interconnected settlements challenging our understanding of this ancient civilization. These were bustling metropolises with canals, ball courts, mines, and fortresses. Evidence of a complex society with organized governance, trade, and infrastructure. These superhighways connected the far reaches of the Mayan Empire. The Maya, masters of stone carving, left behind a legacy etched in stone, their sculptures a window into their beliefs, their fears, and their fascination with the macabre. From towering stelae depicting their rulers in full regalia, to intricate carvings adorning the walls of their temples, Mayan art is both beautiful and unsettling. One particularly eerie example is the headless statue of a bound warrior, discovered amidst the ruins of a Mayan city. The statue, its hands, feet, and head missing, was a deliberate act, the figure crafted in this incomplete state as an offering to the gods. The warrior, frozen in a perpetual state of captivity, serves as a chilling reminder of the ever-present threat of warfare and the importance of appeasing the gods. Imagine a game so ancient, so deeply ingrained in a civilization, that its echoes can still be felt centuries later. For the Maya, this game was more than just a sport, it was a ritual, a matter of life and death. Known as pits, it was played with a heavy rubber ball on a long, narrow court flanked by sloped walls. Two teams aimed to pass the ball through stone hoops using only their hips, elbows, and knees. The game demanded incredible strength, agility, and stamina. Players wore padding and helmets, but injuries were common and death was not unheard of. Some scholars believe the losing team was sacrificed to the gods to ensure the prosperity of the victors. Rising from the heart of the Guatemalan rainforest, its towering pyramids piercing the jungle canopy, lies Tikal, one of the largest and most impressive Mayan cities ever discovered. This ancient metropolis was a center of power, religion, and culture, its influence stretching far beyond its imposing walls. Today, Tikal stands as a testament to the grandeur and sophistication of Mayan civilization. In the Yucatan Peninsula near Chichen Itza lies a cave known as Balamku, its entrance hidden for centuries beneath the dense jungle. This cave held a treasure trove of ancient artifacts, untouched for over 1,000 years. Archaeologists found hundreds of ceramic vessels, incense burners, and other ritual objects all meticulously arranged on the cave floor. These artifacts were carefully placed, suggesting a ritualistic offering to the gods. In Puyol Cave, archaeologists unearthed a 7,000-year-old skeleton dubbed the Young Man of Chan Hol. Found with two Mayan skeletons from 1,300 years ago, it suggests the Maya discovered and honored these ancient remains. The Young Man of Chan Hol connects eras, showing our enduring desire to link with the past. The Maya are often remembered for their calendar and pyramids, but these discoveries reveal a deeper, darker, and far more advanced society. They were master architects, astronomers, and mathematicians, but they were also a people who practiced human sacrifice on a scale that is difficult to comprehend. And with so much still buried beneath the jungle, we've only just scratched the surface of the Maya mystery. One thing's for sure, the jungle is not done telling its story.